Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. In continuation of UV visible spectroscopy for BSc Part 2 students, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 1, today I am going to discuss some important terms used in UV visible spectroscopy. Chromophore मतलब कि वर्णमूलक. A covalently bonded unsaturated group responsible for electronic absorption is called chromophore or chromophoric group. Alkene, alkyne, carbonyl, thionyl, nitroso, azo, nitrite, nitro, etc. This above chromophoric groups exhibit absorption in UV and visible regions. The color of a molecule is due to one or more such chromophoric groups, which are all unsaturated in nature. Oxochrome, a saturated group with non-bonding electrons when attached to a chromophore changes both the wavelength and the intensity of the absorption band is called an oxochrome. ऑक्सोक्रोम को हिंदी में वर्णवर्धक भी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोक्सी, अल्कोक्सी, एमिनो, एसएच, फिनॉक्साइड, bromide, iodide, fluoride, etc. The absorption band usually becomes intense and shifts to longer wavelength towards visible region due to the presence of oxochrome. For example, chromophore. This nitrobenzene having nitro chromophore, whereas in nitroanilene, amino group is oxochrome. See here, the lambda max value of this chromophore means in nitrobenzene, the value is 268 nanometer, whereas in nitroanilene, lambda max value is 381 nanometer. It is higher wavelength compared to nitrobenzene. Azobenzene and ethoxyazobenzene. See here, in azobenzene, lambda max value is 320 nanometer, whereas para-ethoxyazobenzene having lambda max value 385 nanometer. Epsilon's max value in azobenzene is 21,000, whereas in ethoxybenzene is 42,000. So here ethoxy group is an oxochrome increases the value of lambda max as well as epsilon's max or intensity. In aniline, see this example, aniline and anilium ion. Lambda max value of aniline is 280 nanometer, whereas in anilium ion there is no lone pair of electrons, so its value is decreases to 254 nanometer. Intensity also decreases. Here in aniline, its intensity is 1430, whereas in anilium ion intensity is 160. In aniline, NH2 group acts as an oxochrome, but in anilium ion there is no lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom, so it's shifted to lower wavelength. All oxochromic groups contain non-bonding electrons, so there is extension of conjugation of the chromophore by sharing the non-bonding electrons. Absorption and intensity shifts. See this graph in between the epsilon's max and wavelength lambda max. If suppose in molecule, due to the presence of some certain group or solvent effect, if its lambda max value is shifted to higher wavelength, then it is called bathochromic shift or red shift. If its value is decreases through lower wavelength, then it is called hypsochromic shift or blue shift. Due to presence of certain group or solvent effects, if its intensity or epsilon's value is increases, then it is called hyperchromic shift. If its intensity is decreases, then it is called hypochromic shift. Let's see one by one. Bathochromic shift, red shift. The absorption maximum is when shifted towards longer wavelength due to the presence of an oxochrome or by the change of solvent. Such an absorption shift towards longer wavelength is called bathochromic shift or red shift. For example, in benzene, lambda max value is 254 nanometer, whereas in toluene, it increases to 261 nanometer. So here, methyl group is creating bathochromic shift or red shift. In ethene molecule, its lambda max value is 163 nanometer, whereas in 1,3-butadiene, its lambda max value is 270 nanometer. Hypsochromic shift or blue shift. The absorption maximum is when shifted towards shorter wavelength due to the substitution or solvent effect is called hypsochromic shift or blue shift. For example, aniline, its lambda max value is 230 nanometer. In acidic media, aniline is protonated, so its value is decreases. So it is called hypsochromic shift or blue shift. Reason is that aniline gets protonated in acidic medium and hence there is no availability of lone pair of electron on nitrogen and hence absorption shifted towards the shorter wavelength and it is called hypsochromic shift. Next is hyperchromic shift. When the intensity of absorption maxima increases, that is lambda max value increases due to substituent group is called hyperchromic effect. For example, benzene styrene. In benzene, its epsilon's max value is 7,400, whereas in styrene, due to the presence of this ethene group, its value is increases to 14,000. So here vinyl group is in benzene causes hyperchromic effect. Hypochromic effect. Due to the presence of a particular group, the intensity of absorption band decreases, that is epsilon's max decreases, then the effect is called hypochromic effect. For example, benzene and chlorobenzene. Benzene having epsilon's max or intensity value is 204, whereas chlorobenzene having 190 only, so its value is decreased, intensity is decreases. It is called hypo. Here, chloro group causes hypochromic effect. Next, types of absorption bands. K bands originate due to pi to pi star transition in conjugated diene system. For example, dienes, polyenes, enones, etc. Its intensity epsilon's max value is more than 10 raised to power 4. Butadiene, pi to pi star 217 lambda max value, whereas intensity epsilon's max value is 21,000. In styrene, its value is lambda max value is 240 and intensity epsilon's max is 12,000. B bands. Benzenoid bands are characteristic of aromatic and heteroaromatic compounds. In benzene, B band is at lambda max value 256 nanometer. R band. Such type of bands originate due to N2 pi star transition of a single chromophoric group and having at least lone pair of electrons on the heteroatom. This band is also known as forbidden band. Epsilon's max value is below 100. For example, acetone N2 pi star transition, lambda max value is 270 nanometer. whereas intensity, epsilon's max value is so low, it is only 15. E bands. Electronic transition in the benzenoid system occurs due to presence of three ethylenic bonds is in close cyclic conjugation originates E bands. See here, E1 is 184 lambda max value, E2 204, whereas epsilon's max intensity value of E1 is 50,000 and E2 is only 7,900. So thank you very much for listening to me. In next lecture, we will see the lambda max calculation theoretically.